Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Transit-250. The Transit-250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, power windows, panic alarm, remote keyless entry. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.